Welcome to AssistEdge RPA How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to extract data of a data table. Data tables assist users to store and manipulate the tabular data represented in rows and columns. Data tables act as a database or a simple spreadsheet holding temporary data in memory. AssistEdge provides the following capabilities to work with data tables. Create and add data to a data table. Import Excel data into a data table, extract data of a data table, perform operations over a data table, and export the data table. In this video, we will understand the capability of extracting data of a data table. In this example, we will print data of the mobile details data table. To understand how to create and populate this data table, watch the Creating and Adding Data to a Data Table video. Open the mobile table process. Let's first print the data of the mobile details data table. As we see, this data table has 5 rows and we need to print the mobile name and mobile price saved in all these rows one by one. In the Tools section, click Flow Controls to expand the section. Drag and drop the while activity below the write line activity in the process. We will iterate the data table till the last row and print its contents. To do this, create an argument counter of direction is equal to in, argument type is equal to in32, and initialize it with the value 0. In the while loop, define the condition as counter less than row count, which signifies that the loop will run till counter is less than the total number of rows in the data table. In this case, it will be from the counter value 0 till the value 4, which is equal to the total number of rows in the data table. Double-click to open the while activity. In the Tools section, click Data Table to expand the section. Drag and drop the Get Data activity inside the while loop. The Get Data activity gets values from a specific row of the specified column in the data table and saves the value in an argument. Create an argument mname of direction in, argument type string, and another argument mprice of direction in, and argument type in32. Now in the Get Data activity, select data table name as mobile details, row index as counter, column name as mobile name, and argument as mname. As the counter will increase, this will save each row's value of mobile name column into the mname argument. Similarly, drag and drop another Get Data activity and place it below the above Get Data activity. Select data table name as mobile details, row index as counter, column name as mobile price, and argument as mprice. Let's print the values saved in the mname and mprice arguments. Drag and drop the write line activity and provide expression as mname plus space plus mprice.toString. We need to now increment the counter to print the values of all the rows. Drag and drop the assign activity and place it below the write line activity. Provide expression as counter equals to counter plus 1. Save and test run the process. Verify the data extracted from the data table in the Studio console output window. That's all from this how-to video. In the subsequent videos, we will understand the other capabilities of data tables. Thank you.